Hey guys, I want to do a quick video, and this is a haul of the stuff that I got. I was gonna go live, but I'm not in the mood to go live, like literally. I just want to share this with you guys. So I shared two videos. One video was the first video was the inside of the garage. Well, I kind of did it backwards because we went through the yard first and then we went into the garage. But he had a lot of treasures in the garage, and he actually blessed me. Y'all see me with these incense. They're giving Palo Santo / frankincense, like this real soft, just calming. I hate when they do that with these music channels. And it actually has several piles of them in here. 1, 2, and I open 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 5 packs, and I don't know how many is in each pack. But these are the real good incense that burn very slow. Like I burned it before I left over. Let me see if that one's still burning. It's been a little minute, so that one's not burning, but I had to run errands. I had to go back. I had him hold these items that I'm gonna show you real quick. The ones that I did leave with was these planters. So I ended up getting these 4 planters. Y'all know I'm a plant mom. So I seen these just got mud and stuff on them. They just literally need to be cleaned. But when I say these are heavy duty, these are not like the thin chintzy ones that I got before, which are nice. Look, y'all hear that? Hold on, let me get the other. These are the ones I got a great deal on. I got 3 for $5. But I got these and they're thicker, bigger, about the same height, a little bit, about an inch or 2 longer. But this is I want to say this is the medium size one. Then there's one bigger and there's one smaller in different levels. And I got 3 of these for $5. So I ended up getting 4 of these right here for $2.50. So I got 4 of them. Yep. The first one he said $1 a piece, so I got 2. Then I was like, oh, I want 2 more. So he told me I can give him no, $3. Was it 50 cents for the second 2? I think $3 for 4. But there they are right there, all 4 of them right there. So y'all see them? All 4. So I got those, and also I have, he gave me an incense holder, which y'all should have seen in that video. And then, I seen this. I am so infatuated with boxes. I don't know why. I like just the mystery of what's inside, or what you can put inside, or what people might think is inside. And this actually is handmade. And it says JR, very clean made, very nicely made, JR for $12.93. So this is like 30. This is 30 years old. This is 30 years old. And when I say it is made well, whoever JR is, it is made well. It even has suede in the bottom. Okay, so I got this. I got this. I seen this little thing sitting like this, and I'm like, what is that? And I picked it up. It was so heavy. I got this. So that can be placed somewhere, and you can put like a ring, maybe a wedding ring, or maybe some earrings. You know, my exclusive pearls that I have, I could put those inside here. I got my chicken, I'm making chicken wings, either hot honey wings or either some garlic parm wings. I didn't go get no more Parmesan, so it may be hot honey because I don't want to go back out again. Just when it got Rizzy from Girls League, so I don't know if I'm gonna go back out. But isn't that pretty? Look at that. Look at how this is made. Like, look at how this is made, y'all. Like, and it's heavy. Like, look. Like, it is made very, very well. I don't know what kind of stone. He said it's made from a stone. It was carved from a stone. He loves to collect rocks, so yeah. This had a $2 price on it. This had a $5 price on it. And then I also got this box. Tell me that's not cute. This had 2 different prices. I guess he tried to sell one time and then broke the prices down. So it says $1, and then over here says 2. But this is solid wood. This is pretty wood. Like, this is wood that I won't even touch or do nothing with. Maybe do a little sanding and buffing and just probably re-shellac it. But isn't that cute? It can sit on a counter or anything. I mean, a shelf or anything. But let me show you what's inside. I was like, this is perfect if I decide not to put my little hanging caddies on the side of my nightstands. All of my remotes. My fan, my heater, my projector, and my light. Oh, and I got one more that can go in here. My I forgot to put it in here. My fire stick. Perfect. Look. No one will know. It's clean. My nightstand don't have to look all messy for right now until I decide if I'm going to use the caddy. But as you know, I showed this to Stinker, but Rizzy, she wants this one. And I think this one is the cutest one. But she wants this one, so I'm going to get this to her to put whatever she wants to put in on her desk or on her little side thing that's going to be by her bed to hide her stuff. So, yeah. I got this and this and this. And these, I thought these are heavy, guys. I thought these were so pretty. They're giving bronze, organic, like bohemian, like it's giving off a look. It was only $2. No worries. Guess what? 25 cents a piece. 25 cents a piece. So that's $3.50 plus I didn't have any more cash on me. And so I had, y'all hear that? And I'm not even setting it down hard. Look, these things are heavy. Like, this is just, I love stuff like this because I won't look, to me, if I can't find a big, pretty, round candle, I won't use this as a candle holder. It will be for plants for me. In the corner, I'll put 2 little nice plants. One with, you know, that's kind of bushy, that doesn't do much but grow straight, and the other one that kind of vines down. I don't know if I'll keep these color. I don't know. I kind of like the color. I like this organic look, these browns and bronzes and stuff. So I'm thinking candle holders, not plant holders. Okay, so these were 50 cents for both of these. 50 cents for both of these. So a total of, he told me $6. Bring him back $6 for this stuff. And I had some money on me in my little box that I have on my remember that box I got from Big Lots? I had some money in that, and I thought it was about $5. It was only $3, so I ended up getting some change on my car. And he was like, just give me that, just give me that. So I ended up paying $4 for all of this right here. This is what I came back to get. So I ended up paying $4. So that's like $1.25, 30 cents per box. And these can be passed down from generation to generation. This is stuff that will last for many, many years to come. Obviously, this is 30 years old. I just noticed it. 93. Yep. 30 years. Is that over 30?
31 around.
30. Yeah.
Well, 30.
It's 30 because it's, yeah. Because I'm thinking about my daughter's age. She's not 25 yet. In 93, 7 years from now, 7. Yep, 30. This box is 30 years old. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's worth more than what it cost them.
Right. So, guys, this is stuff. I like stuff like this. I want to be that grandma, not to be a hoarder, but to just special stuff that I know can be placed in any decor with anything. And, you know, they can have it like, oh, my mom gave me this and she got it from my grandmom or whatever, and pass it down. I'm not a grandmother, but I know I'm be a bomb grandmother when I am a grandmother. But, yeah, so that's my little haul. That's what I got, and I'm so excited to implement these in my decor. I'm gonna go wipe this down with a little, actually I have one right here. I had some wet disinfectant wipes and put that on my desk, and yeah, give Rizzy hers, and that's that. That's my little haul, and I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you stay tuned over on the community tabs, because I am finding videos that I thought I loaded that I never loaded. Rizzy's room that I did some years ago, about 2 years ago, a little over 2 years ago. The way that YouTube does it, it's like when it hits the next year, that's when it'll change the year on the video. Because technically, if it's October 2021, we're past October 2022. So it's over a year going on to another year, which will be next year will be 2 years or whatever, right? Yeah, October 2021 to 2022 is 1 year. And then 2022 to 2020 is 2 years. So it should be flipping. So it was about 2 years ago that I was going to share the video, but I did the reveal. I mean, I did her room months before that. So it's about 2.5 years. When you see on the community tab, you'll see Anaya with this little weird wig on, and it's so funny. Y'all gotta see the video when I load it. And I forgot to show y'all the other part of my dining room makeover, my house in New York. Like, it's videos that I'm still going to put out. I don't care if they're old or not, because guess what? I took the time to do them, and at that time they were, and it's still relevant because I don't do trendy things. So it would still be relevant. So make sure you check out the community tab. If you are new to my channel, make sure you join the family by hitting that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. And yes, do talk to me in the comments, because your girl does respond to comments. And also, I want you guys to tell me what you think about the stuff that I just showed you. Are you a thrifter? Do you like secondhand things? Do you like unique stuff? Do you go looking for things that nobody else can't find? Stuff like this. So yeah, talk to you guys later, Gators. Iced coffee, just made it so good, and I did it with hazelnut non-dairy creamer, Starbucks creamer, so good.